In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep the chat list open in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, you'll first need to open Microsoft Teams. Simply launch the desktop application on your computer. Just look for the Teams icon in your applications or on your desktop and double-click to open it. Once you're in the app, you can easily navigate to the chat feature, which is essential for keeping your conversations organized. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar of the application and select the chat icon. This is typically represented by a speech bubble or chat box symbol. Clicking on this icon will display your recent conversations, granting you access to all your chats. It's worth noting that you can see not only your one-on-one chats, but also group conversations, which helps in maintaining communication with your colleagues. Now, to keep your most important conversations within reach, you'll want to pin those chats. This helps ensure that your most frequent chats stay at the top of your list, making them easily accessible. To do this, simply hover over a chat that you'd like to pin. You'll see 3 dots appear, indicated as More Options. Click on those dots and a menu will pop up. In that menu, you'll see an option that says Pin. Go ahead and click on that. What this does is move the selected conversation to a special section at the top of your chat list, known as the Pinned section. This means that no matter how many new messages come in or how many other threads you navigate to, your pinned conversations will always stay visible. It's a handy feature to keep your workflow efficient and your important chats at your fingertips. Another key aspect to keep in mind is to maintain visibility of the chat section. After pinning your important chats, make sure the Chat tab remains the active selection in the sidebar. This is crucial while you are using the desktop app. Keeping this tab selected prevents the chat list from collapsing or being hidden when you navigate between different message threads. By following these simple steps, you not only streamline your communication, but also make it much easier to manage and find your most important conversations. Having your chat list open and organized helps keep distractions at bay and can significantly improve your productivity while using Microsoft Teams. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on keeping your chat list open in Microsoft Teams. Remember, using the pin feature and ensuring that the chat section is active can save you time and make your collaboration smoother. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. That way, you won't miss out on any of our future tips and tricks.